two of the bikes have broken down. There he is, the guy who almost bought a new bike today.
No, I got it.
So I don't know if you can see right there, it's still spotting. A lot of us have had issues. I've had electrical issues. My bike didn't want to start. You go on a road trip, your bikes break down, you fix them, and you laugh about it. The crew with the up bikes is heading back home, finally. Well, guys, we're here at House of Harley Davidson in Milwaukee. Two of the bikes have broken down, so it has delayed our trip significantly, about 5 hours. We're gonna go inside the dealership real quick right now. One of the guys was actually even thinking about trading in his bike right now because he doesn't want to deal with the issues and whatever. But they can't sell bikes today because it's Sunday and they're not allowed to sell bikes Sundays. But we're gonna go inside right now. I'm gonna show you guys what's going on each of the bikes. It just sucks. It feels like a lot of us have had issues with the bikes on this trip. I've had electrical issues. My bike didn't want to start yesterday. My left controls don't work at all. One of the other guys, his bike, the other tobacco fade, his bike wouldn't start. You'll see that in another video I posted. And all this, so let's see what's going on. So this is E's bike. They had to take apart his front forks because they were leaking. He had a lot of trouble coming over here because the bike was wobbling all over the place. So now we kind of know why the bike was wobbling. So they basically took the forks apart and they fixed the issue. And now there's other little issues here and there. That makes a lot of sense because we're coming over here, your bike was all over the place. And look at that. And that's because the bag is not like kind of tied down correctly. If it was tied down differently or straight up, maybe. Let's see Dio's bike back here. All right, so Dio had a bigger issue. He had a leak coming from, I think it was a rear cylinder. We'll see right here. So I don't know if you can see right there, it's still spotting. It's still leaking a little oil, but not as bad. So he had that issues, and then he also ended up getting brand new tires, front and rear, because his tires were cooked. Those tires were cooked, they were done. I mean, the bike has thousands of miles on it, and God knows how long they've been on it. There he is, the guy who almost bought a new bike today.
No, I got it. I just told him.
Nah, I wouldn't let him do that just yet. When we get back home, we're gonna go bike shopping. So wait for that video.
Yes, but I thought about it. In a moment of weakness, after hours and hours of waiting for just tires, I had a moment of weakness and I almost bought a new bike. But we're like 1,000 miles away from home. Not the right place, the right time to do that. So.
What exactly was the issue with your bike? You needed new tires.
So I needed new tires. They were bald this morning, and then I had a leak from the gasket.
For the rear cylinder?
Rear cylinder gasket leak. It was pretty light when we first came, but then this morning woke up, man, there was drips coming off. I'm like, oh, geez. So,
yeah. This guy right here ended up getting brand new bars because his bike wouldn't start at all.
It wouldn't start. The cables were too short, so I ended up just buying a whole new bar set, new light, everything. Hooked it up. 10 inches, baby.
The crew with the fucked up bikes is heading back home, finally. This backed us up 5 hours, man. 5 hours. Look at this guy's tank. This is fire right here. Last night's concert was dope. If you guys didn't make it out this year to homecoming, make it next year. 2026 plans already in the works, so make sure to look into all the details that are going to be coming out later on in a few months. Are you happy now?
I'm not happy until I ride it. So. You know, realistically.
I gotta say that these guys out here at House of Harley took care of my boy. They bought the bike in, he made it a quick appointment, they got him in and out of here within 3 hours, right? You guys, 3 hours, they got you out of here? So this team right here, the Avengers, let's go. Exactly what's wrong with your bike?
The fork seals were blown, and I guess all the contaminants of the piston compressing and everything like that was getting all the dirt and everything. And then, the bushings were worn too, apparently. So.
Remember when Eve made us lose track and we lost 5 hours of our riding day?
You got it stripped down pretty good.
I know.
Maybe if you got heavier items.
Listen, nobody told you to pack up 20 dildos for the weekend, bro. One was enough. One was enough. Look at this.
He has muscle relaxer.
All this. Good times, good laughs. That's what it's all about, man. You go on a road trip, your bikes break down, you fix them, and you laugh about it. Right?
There you go.
That's it.
And this is my guy Jose, bro.
Jose, what's up?
What's up, bro?
Were you the guy selling him a bike?
No, he worked on my bike. Earlier.
Oh, nice. Thanks for getting us aboard. Listen, I was just telling everybody, you guys here are amazing. You guys got my guys out of here within no time. And now we're going to get back on the road. So huge shout out to the guys over at House of Harley Davidson in Milwaukee. True champs.
Thank y'all for coming out and visiting. We're here for y'all whenever you need us, brother.
Boom.
We don't say, yo, take care.
Ooh, let's go. Wait, what you said?
I'm gonna take a leak.
A leak.
I need beep beep.
This guy must be happy because he's the only one whose bike didn't have any issues, knock on wood. Oh, and Calvin's.
Knock on wood. And the blue balls.
This dude right here just wants to get home right now. He's like, yo, can we get on the road, bro? Really quick, also, let me know down below if any of you guys have had any issues like this on your long rides with your friends, whether it be in your bike or their bikes. What happened on that journey? How'd you guys get it fixed? Was it a local dealership? Was it a shop? Did you have to get it towed? Whatever it may be, drop your stories down below. I want to hear everybody's stories right now. Bike wrecks on the road. All right, we gotta go see what the damage is right now because these guys are about to get. Oh, look at the rotors that I ordered 3 months ago that never got to my house.
And they're here.
And they're here.
Ready to go.
Ready to go.
Because we could still use them for later. You have the muscle relaxers, you have everything ready.
I'm about to drop a G over here, and this guy talking about some bullshit.
I can't believe that you really bought a whole bag full of dildos out here, though, bro. And that's where your bike was shaking.
I can't.
You know what it was? All the vibrators were vibrating.
I don't gotta follow up. I don't gotta come back for that. This guy.
Oh, that's what the wobble was?
That was what the wobble was. This guy tried to blame it on the street glide. It's the bike.
It's gonna glide in for sure.
My man wasn't ready for that one.
You made me break character, bro. I'm usually quick with it, bro.
Yes! Nothing. I have nothing for you. Don't wanna be your superhero. Where's this song from? Don't wanna be your superhero. It's from a show.
These guys had no idea about you. Fucking put them on. You got new subscribers.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
4 hours.
How much is it?
About 767.
767. So these guys almost paid almost the same thing. 77. What's the damage? What we got right here?
Not bad. No, actually, it's pretty bad.
$700 for tires.
Yep.
And
they're wrapped in gold.
dampener, cuss drive, retaining ring, race plate, center tire.
Pretty basic stuff, man.
Don't you hate unexpected bills? It's like the worst. All right, so we are out of here. Bikes are ready to get on the road. We are happy to get on the road because we are really behind schedule now. Yeah, that's our story from Milwaukee and our ride and our bikes breaking down. I'm gonna check you guys out later. Goodbye, Milwaukee. See you next year. Like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.